Hi guys! For today's video, let's unbox my parcel from Shopee! Last time, nag-order ako ng nail extension set for the beginner. It's like a fully gel nail extension. Kasi, ang mahal-mahal talagang pumunta ng salon para lang magpa-nail extension. Kaya, naisipan kong mag-order na lang ng isang set ng pang-beginner ng polygel nail extension. So, let's unbox my parcel. This one as my parcel. I get this one from Shopee. So, let's unbox this one. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba talaga yung laman. I just bought this one like 200 pesos all. Kasama na yung shipping fee dito. So, naka-double packaging siya. Naka-tape. Secured naman. Tingnan natin yung nasa loob. Di na nila pinasok kasama ito. Ano ba? Foley Nail Gel. Ito yung Foley Nail Gel. Nakikita nyo pa. Foley Nail Gel. Okay, this one. Nail file. Oh my God! And this one. Ano bang tawag dito? Pusher. Pusher. Okay. Hindi tayo masyadong Oh, this one yung pang tawag dito. Nails, yung pang form ng nails. Okay, this one is yung pang file ng polygel. Ito. Ito yung gagamitin mo. Yung pang brush ng pang-arrange. Try natin ito mamaya. Paano ba ito gamitin? Kasi first time ko din gumamit nito. Naisipan ko lang talaga umorder kasi nga, ang mahal-mahal magpa-nail extension sa salon. Okay. Tip guide. This one. Next, we have solution. Next, we have clip. Yung clip mo doon. Dito, oh. Dito. Yan. Then, we have top coat at saka base coat. And, tanan! The UV lamp. Okay. Let's see what color it's in the inside. Sana pink. Pink na talaga! Oh my God! Yan. Kuha ka lang ng e-charger. Ma-charger nyo na lang. Tapos, ano ba ito? Okay, ito yung UV lamp. UV lamp niya. So, all the product, this is the UV lamp. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's all. It's just cost like 269 pesos only, makakagawa ka na ng nails mo na di ka na pumupunta sa salon. So, give me some minutes. So, let's try this one. Because it's really exciting because it's my first time to do my nails and not going to salon. Just my own. So, yan yung nakuha ko lahat sa in-order kong pang nail extension na for beginner only. So, the solution. Next, the polygel. Clip. Molder or yung pang-form ng kuko. Tapos, tip guide. Top coat at saka base coat. Nail file. Former. Pusher. Tsaka yung UV lamp. First, maglagay lang tayo ng base coat. Cure lang natin to.